Here's my fabric folded into two, and what I have here is the bust measurement divided by 4 plus extra 5 inches, and then the shoulder to the half length plus 1 inch allowance. So first I'm marking the shoulder to nipple line across like so, and I'm connecting with a ruler. Then I'm marking the shoulder to the under bust. I'm connecting that with the ruler as well. Next off, I'm marking the nipple to nipple divided by 2 plus half inch allowance. I'm connecting that like so. Then from that nipple to nipple line, I marked 1.5 on the under bust line and on the half length line. I'm going to make a curve like so, as you can see. Then up here, I'm marking the shoulder divided by 2. I came down and I marked the shoulder divided by 2 as well, so I'll get a straight line. Then I'm marking the armhole, which is 8 inches. I used 8 inches here. Then I mark 3 inches from the center front and then half inch down the armhole line, and I'm connecting like so to form the shoulder slope. I curved the armhole. Then I measured from that half inch I came down all the way to the armhole point, and I marked the middle. Then I marked 1 inch on both sides, and then I'm connecting like so. Then from that armhole curve, I'm going to mark 2 inches outward like that. Then I'll connect back to the armhole. This is a new armhole now that we're working with. So I'm marking the neckline 4 inches wide and then 5 inches deep. So let's cut. We'll come back to the neck much later. Okay, so for the neckline now, I turned over to this side and I'm marking the same thing, 4 inches wide and 5 inches deep. So I'm going to be curving one side of the neckline and leaving the other the way it is, like so. But I feel like this may be too deep for the person I'm sewing for, so I'm going to reduce the length of the neck. So instead of 4, I'll be working with 5 inches. That means our front neck is going to be 4 by 4. So I'm going to curve it like that. And I'm cutting. So for the back, I folded my fabric into 2 again, using the bust divided by 4 plus extra 5 inches. So from the center back, I marked 1.5 inches, which is going to be the zipper allowance. So from that zipper allowance, I marked the shoulder, and then I marked the armhole, and then I'm going to connect and curve. After that, from the same line, I mark 3 inches in and then half inch down from the armhole line, and I'm going to connect for the shoulder slope. Then I mark the neck width, which is 4 inches, and then the neck depth, I used 7 inches. I'm going to connect that and then curve it like so. So from that zip line, I'm going to mark the nipple to nipple divided by 2 plus half inch, and I'm going to notch. That is where our dart is going to be. Then from this corner, I came in by half inch, and then from the shoulder, I came down by 9 inches. And then I connect like so. And now we cut. Opening the zip side, I'm going to cut out that half inch, so our back will have some shape and not zip bulge.